So if you want to unlock every single level in hill climb racing, this is what you have to do. Now this is all very educational. I'm not telling you to go download anything, but this is what most people do when they want to unlock something. So as you can see, I searched something simple like unlock all hill climb racing. Now, what it showed me is these mod APKs. I'm not telling you to go download them, but usually these mod APKs are where these, let's say hacks or glitches come from. Like this is where people download them from. So if you really want to risk it, like I'm not telling you to, but if you really want to, then you could go to one of these sites and there should be a download button. But I urge you not to do this because it might cause harm to the company or, in worst cases, to your gadget or to your phone. But if you still want to do it, then go on ahead. And by the way, this video is not telling you to go download it. I'm just showing you that people get it from these links right here. So all you have to do is search for unlock all hill climb racing, and then you should find the links saying mod APK or downloads. But yeah, that's pretty much how you can obtain these. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial works or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.